Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making this vegetable stuffed bread. This veggie stuffed bread is super easy and full of fun to cook. You can make this and take it with you for a picnic, lunch, or just have it at home for a snack. It's very healthy as you can add lots of different vegetables and it's a hearty meal too. The filling can be anything you like. There are so many different options. This one is full of our favourite fillings, but you can choose yours. This bright and colourful bread loaf is very delicious and will definitely bring a smile on everyone's face. It's also perfect for summer lunches. So please try this recipe and share your experience with us. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need half a teaspoon of salt, 3 fresh garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon grounded pepper, 1 teaspoon of a ginger paste, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 150 grams of cottage cheese, also known as paneer, 100 grams of grated mozzarella, 1 big cubed bell pepper, 50 grams of corn, 50 grams of peas, 1 big chopped carrot, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 bread loaf, and mayonnaise and ketchup for garnishing at the end. We're going to start by making a mixture for our stuffing by adding our carrots, our cottage cheese, also known as paneer, our orange bell pepper, corn, peas, garlic cloves, and ginger paste. Now we're going to blend everything together. We are going to cook our mixture for a couple of minutes, and for that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil in a heated pan. Then add in our cumin seeds and let them pop. Now that they've started to pop, we're going to add in our blended mixture. Then we're going to add in our salt, our chaat masala, grounded pepper, and half of our mixed herbs. We're going to save half until garnishing. Now we're going to mix it well and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to spread it evenly and cook it on a medium flame for a couple of minutes. To stuff your bread, you can either make one cut through the middle or do it the way that we're going to show you. You can either put the stuffing in the loaf, like we're going to, or you could even just make sandwiches with the stuffing that we made earlier. Once you've cut out a hole like this, we're going to put in our stuffing. After that, we're going to top it up with some cheese and mixed herbs. Now we're going to put it in the griller on 180 degrees for around 7 to 8 minutes. We've grilled it for around 8 minutes, and now we're going to garnish it with some ketchup. And mayonnaise. Now it's time for serving. Wow, this looks super delicious and I can't wait to try it. If you like this video, then please drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking!